Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure iOS is current so automations run reliably. Once done, open Shortcuts and tap Automation. You want Create Personal Automation. This first step chooses when low power mode should run, so think time of day, battery level, or a charger event. Tap the plus to add a new automation and select the trigger type now. This is where you tell the phone the exact condition that should enable low power mode automatically. Now pick the trigger. Battery level is common, set it to 20% and choose falls below so it fires at the right moment. Alternatively, use time of day or when charger disconnects. After choosing the trigger, tap Add Action and search for Set Low Power Mode. Select Turn On. Make sure the action order is correct. The automation will execute the action when the trigger occurs. This creates the core behavior that saves battery automatically for you. Finish by turning off Ask before running so low power mode engages without asking you each time. Confirm the prompt. Tap Done to save, then test the automation by simulating the condition or waiting for the battery threshold. If it doesn't run, make sure Shortcuts has permission, your iOS version supports the action, and that the trigger settings match what you tested. Recreate the automation if needed. That often fixes misconfigured conditions, and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.